today, a great little snack or party food, my ultimate deviled eggs. Let's do it. The first step, you want to pop a frying pan onto the hob between medium and high, and you're going to want some lovely smoked streaky bacon. Lay your bacon into the pan, and you want to render out all of that beautiful fat and get the bacon really nice and crispy. Turn the bacon every couple of minutes, and when you start getting a nice bit of colour on there, a great trick is to add a little splash of water. I have a video explaining all about cooking bacon with water, so I've left a link in the description below, so go check it out. Once the water is reduced and your bacon is getting really nice and crispy, you want to pop your bacon onto a chopping board and stick it to one side. And just quickly guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to join me here on the channel. And then you want to pop a saucepan onto the hob, fill the saucepan with water, and then you want to add a generous pinch of salt, and then add a few little splashes of vinegar. Get it up to a boil, and then turn it down a tiny touch so it's just shy of boiling point. And next you want some really good quality free range eggs. Ease your eggs into the boiling water so they don't crack, and once they're in, the trick is to give them exactly 7 minutes. So while they're cooking away, fill a mixing bowl with some ice and some cold water, and then after 7 minutes pop them into the ice water. And next you want to de-shell your eggs. So take another bowl and then work your way through the eggs, give them a crack and peel off all of that shell. If you use the ice water method, the shell should come off really nice and easy. Once you have your perfect hard-boiled eggs, you want to take a sharp knife, chop them in half, and then spend a minute to remove all of that beautiful, rich, yellow yolk. And very quickly, give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Once you've got all of your egg yolks in a bowl and you have your hollowed out egg white cases, pop the egg whites to one side, and the first ingredient for the deviled eggs is some lovely fresh lemon. So cut off a few slices of your lemon, pop those to one side, and then you want your crispy bacon. Make sure you dice up your crispy bacon pretty much as fine as you can get it, and then chuck a nice handful of your bacon in with the yolks. And then some fresh chives. Dice up your chives pretty much as fine as you can, about as fine as the bacon, and then add about the same amount of chives to the bowl as you have bacon. Then add a nice squeeze of your lemon juice, and the next ingredient, we want some mayonnaise. And you want about 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise when you're using 6 yolks. And then about the same amount of Dijon mustard, and then start to mix through and mash up the yolks with a spoon or a fork. And don't forget to season your mix. Spend a few minutes to get the mixture nice and smooth, and then when your egg mix is ready, you want to get a teaspoon and then spoon the filling back into the egg cases. And there you have my beautiful ultimate deviled eggs. All that's left to do is get stuck in, and I will see you next time.